Buonasera, Aprilia truck is here at Moto Town, here at Bridgetown, Pasig City. Para sa Aprilia Test Ride event, courtesy of Rosario Motors. B-Boy LMD here, and you guys still watching Respeto Agulong. At bago tayo mag-test ride, let's try to know more about the specs of this bike that we're going to feature. This is the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. Tuono means thunder or deep rumbling sound heard in the sky after a flash of lightning, o yung tunog ng kulog at kidlat. This top-tier Italian hyper-naked sport bike is equipped with a liquid-cooled 1077cc 65-degree V4 engine, 4-stroke, 4 valves per cylinder, double overhead cam. It's ride-by-wire with 6-speed transmission. It has a maximum power of 175 HP at 11,350 RPM. Maximum torque is 121 Nm at 9,000 RPM. It has dual-channel ABS and cornering ABS already, equipped with Brembo M50 calipers. Dual disc at front, 330 mm with 4-piston calipers, and 220 mm single disc with 2-piston caliper at the rear. It is also equipped with electronic suspensions by Öhlins, upside-down fork at front, and monoshock at the rear. We get Pirelli Diablo Rossa 3, 120/70 by 17 at front tire, and Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa at the rear with 200/55 by 17. It is equipped with aluminum chassis, 17.9 liters of tank with 14 kilometers per liter consumption, 825 mm seat height, and a curb weight of 209 kilograms. Now, let's do the test ride. We're here at Moto Town, Aprilia test ride event, and what we have in front of us is this Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. This is 1100cc, so help me God. Thank you so much Aprilia for having me this opportunity to ride this bike. Sakay muna tayo. As a 5'4", medyo tiptoe ng konti. Medyo kinakabahan ako na excited. Alright, this is it. Let's do this. Ang aggressive pala ng riding position na ito. Talagang kailangan natin mag-commit. Let's go. Sumisibat. Sumisibat yung primera. Alright. Grabe. Nasa 1 minuto pa lang ata tayong bumibiyahe. Ramdam ko na agad yung init sa binti ko. Grabe. Ganito pala talaga yung behavior ng mga Italian bike. Uy! Feeling ko aakat yung harapan. Grabe naman yun. Woo! Jeez. Kahit yung third gear, grabe, nanggigigil. Mind you guys, this is the highest displacement na na-drive ko. Pinakamataas ko na na-drive is 800cc na 2-cylinder. And ito, biglang jump tayo sa isang 1100cc na V4 engine, man. This is V4. Tahimik lang yung exhaust nya. Kasi yun nga, naka-stock pa to eh. Pero grabe yung ugong ng engine. Very exciting. I was just so amazed na may experience ng ganitong klaseng motor. I never thought na makakasakay ako sa ganito, even on a test ride, even on my dream. But there you go. Grabe. Kahit dahan-dahanin ko yung pasok ng gearing niya, you know, humibigla talaga siya. Siguro mga nasa 1/4 throttle lang yung ginagawa ko. Talagang pinag-iingatan kong mapiga siya ng todo dahil hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupulutin dito. And sa height ko na 5'4", sabi, may hirapan ako gamitin to sa mga traffic situation dahil yung ang init ng makina niya. Ang ganda ng tunog niya kahit naka-stock exhaust. Yung ugong, alam mo yun, syempre 1000cc taas, naka V4 engine. Grabe. Ang lakas ng torque. And sa riding position niya, sobrang aggressive. Kaya sa mga kagulong natin na magtatry ng mga ganitong klaseng motor, you have to commit yourself sa riding position talaga. Hindi pwede yung tatamad-tamad na riding position dahil baka iitsa tayo ng motor eh. Ito yung mga klaseng motor na I guess bagay na bagay ito sa track day talaga. Yung ganito ka-aggressive.
Para ba, ang ganda ng gauge niya. Naka TFT tayo dito. Sa mga controls, ang daming pindutan. And, oy, isa to sa mga bagay na nagustuhan ko talaga kay Aprilia. Sa mga units nila, no, in general, is yung electronic suspension nila. Grabe, napakalaking bagay niyan. Yung iba kasi, di ba, ang dami mga mamahaling big bikes na hindi pa nakaganito yung technology. But with Aprilia, there you have it. And kahit naka dual disc brake sa harap pero mabilis ko lang din nagamay yung paggamit ng front brake niya. Siguro dahil nga nanggaling ako sa sports dati, hanggang sa yun, na-adapt ko na lang din yung ganong riding style, yung ganong braking habit. Ang bilis sumipa ng speedometer niya. Grabe yung ugong ng makina. How much more kapag naka aftermarket exhaust pa tayo dito. Paniguradong ingay na ito. Grabe. Para ako nakasakay sa bull riding ba yung tawag doon. Yan, braking. Grabe, ang ganda ng braking niya. Maganda yung kapit niya. Naka-stop tayo on a timely manner. Madali ko lang nagamay yung braking niya. Since na nagustuhan ko, hindi lang dapat tayo nagko-focus dun sa power ng motor, but at the same time dun sa braking. At grabe, ang init. Ang init ng makina niya kapag mabagal. Kaya dapat mabilis talaga i-andar mo dito para kahit paano may airflow sa mga binti mo. Grabe, very satisfying yung power niya. Wala akong masabi. And I know na I'm not worth it para magbigay ng feedback sa motor na to. Pero masasabi ko lang is yung riding impression ko sa kanya, grabe, it's superb. Well, definitely ito yung pinakamalakas na motor na nagamit ko so far. And nakakatuwa lang na unang-una kinaya ko yung seat height niya. Siyempre sa mga height ng 5'4", diba, disadvantage natin lagi, and lagi natin naisip na hindi natin kayang makasakay ng big bike dahil maliit tayo, average height lang tayo. Pero tingnan mo naman, kaya nating makasakay ng isang sports bike, ng isang Italian sport bike, diba? 1100 on a V4 engine. Grabe. Kahit tinatry kong dahan-dahanin yung bitaw ng clutch and pigaan ng gas, iba yung gusto mangyari ng motor na to. Damn! Uy, ang ganda naman ng engine braking na yun. Parang hindi ko siya naramdaman, ah. Nice! Good job! Great power, awesome braking. And sa engine braking, well, I guess that's because of slipper clutch. Siyempre sa mga ganitong unit, matik may slipper clutch na rin to. And we're back here at Aprilia van. Dili ba siya in neutral? Man, thank you, sir. I've had so much fun with this bike. And again, this is the Aprilia 210 V4 factory.
Thank you so much, Aprilia, for this very exciting test ride event, courtesy of Rosario Motors. So what you guys think about this bike? Aprilia 210 V4 factory has an SRP of 1,560,000 pesos. And good news, because Rosario Motors have it discounted for you guys, and now you could take home this bike for only 1,360,000 pesos. And that's a 200,000 pesos savings already. How's that sounds like? Visit them at number 43 Ortigas Avenue Extension, Rosario, Pasig City. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, like and follow our Facebook page. Special thanks to Premium Gears. P-Boy LMD here, and you guys watching Respeto Agulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. A presto!